Summertime is around the corner. You know what that means. Self-care rituals are even more important, and that's why my hair routine has become my self-care ritual. After years of over-processing and dyeing my hair and also dealing with hair breakage, I decided to begin a low-maintenance hair routine. I recently started using Cap's Professional Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner to moisturize and hydrate my hair during these warmer months when I tend to be more active and wash my hair more frequently. At first, I'm going to be honest with you, I used to use the same old drugstore shampoo and conditioner because I didn't know these products played a big part in the breakage and dryness of my hair. And even though I wasn't over-processing my hair or using heat, my hair was falling out. I realized key ingredients like argan oil help strengthen my hair, but also switching to salon-quality shampoos, conditioners like Cap's Professional helped me tremendously. I also use the argan oil spray as a leave-in conditioner to reduce frizz, and it doubles as a thermal spray when I do curl and straighten my hair. And without missing a manifesting beat, every time I wash and condition my hair, I focus on calling new energy and balancing my crown chakra. I hope this ritual inspires you to transform your everyday routines into intentional beauty rituals that guide you back to yourself. Manifest con amor.